Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be going over another fantastic security camera. This one is actually one of the best ones that I could find on Amazon. The ratings are absolutely fantastic and it has 6,420 of them for me to go off of. So definitely looked at a lot of them and many of them are fantastic ratings. So definitely let's go ahead and open up this box and check it out a little bit. First we're going to go over some of the things that are on the box, like this right here. Your privacy is something that we value as much as you do. To start, we're taking every step imaginable to ensure your data remains private with you. Whether it's your newborn crying for mom or your victory dance after a game, your recorded footage will be kept private, stored locally with military-grade encryption, and transmitted to you and only you. That's just the start of our commitment to protect you, your family, and your privacy. There is also human and pet AI. Get notified of what your cheeky children and playful pets are up to. Works with voice control, Apple HomeKit, the Google Assistant, and Alexa compatible as well. Track and detect motion. When motion is detected, the camera will automatically track the movement. Two-way audio so you can speak directly to anyone within the immediate area. And a clear view at night with night vision for continued surveillance in low light settings. What is inside the box? The indoor camera, the USB cable, the USB adapter, mounting bracket, screw packs, and the quick start guide as well. This is Eufy security, but it is actually made by Anker. And Anker is one of the top selling brands on the whole entire Amazon platform. And Anker comes out with a whole slew of fantastic products for you guys to check out. So I will be leaving links to this product as well as other Anker and Eufy products as well for you guys to check out down in the description below if you guys would like to take a look at those. Now, let's go ahead and open up the box and get to looking at this one. Also, enjoy anywhere access with the Eufy security camera app, live view and recording history, advanced AI and human pet detection. Also, enjoy anywhere access with the Eufy security app, live view and recording history, advanced AI, human and pet detection, smart notifications as well. And that is sort of what you would be seeing on the app until it updates. Probably be eventually seeing a different version as well because they're constantly updating all of their stuff. Eufy and Anker are fantastic companies, so definitely very intrigued and ready to see exactly what we've got in this box today. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys. Now, since we have everything out of the packaging, we can go ahead and download the Eufy security app and go over all of the different features and details of the application, as well as take a look at the camera quality. So let's go ahead and pull it up on our Google Play Store, or you can also do it on iOS, but I'm going to go ahead and install the app. Right there is the symbol in the top left. Now, since it's downloaded, go ahead and press the open button. And then the app will go ahead and open. Then you have to accept the end user license agreement. Press the accept button. And then you will need to set up your own account if you haven't gotten one already. I'm just going to go ahead and enter mine because I've already downloaded it and done this previously. So let's go ahead and do that. After you enter that information, you'll be prompted to this screen where you then need to request your storage permission. Go ahead and allow, and then enable fingerprint login if you want to. I'll go ahead and put next time. And then any support needs, just tap in the top right to contact the Eufy security team. Go ahead and press OK to drop that out. In order to add this camera right here, we're going to go ahead and just press add device and go find the exact model that we're looking for. We are looking for the 2K IndoorCam pan and tilt. Plug the device into the outlet before mounting and proceed with setup. Wait until the LED light turns solid blue. So we're going to do just that. Let's go ahead and lay that to the side and plug in our smart camera. And like I said previously, we're going to be waiting until the LED turns solid blue. Okay, now I just ran this little test to make sure that it could pan and tilt. Now it is solid blue. Let's go ahead and press the next button right here. Eufy security app needs to request your camera permission to scan the QR code. Go ahead and press OK and while using the app. And this will be on the device itself on the back side right here. Now enter the setup mode. Open the seal on the bottom of the camera. Press and hold the setup button until you hear a beep. The status LED will turn to a flashing blue. So let's go ahead and do that as well. Press the setup button, which is located right there. Oh, I gotta hold it until I hear a beep. Okay. And now we are flashing blue, so I heard a beep. Then after that, we're gonna wanna connect it to our Wi-Fi connection, so let's go ahead and do that as well.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network, please wait.
Now it is connecting to the Wi-Fi network as it just now stated.
Setup was successful.
Now the camera was added successfully. Let's go ahead and press the next button, and then we will be naming our device. I'm going to go ahead and assign it to a customized one instead of living room, kids room, entryway, kitchen, or bedroom. So press the customize, and I'm going to go ahead and put that as studio office. Okay, someone has been spotted by the security camera system. That is definitely going to be me. Let's go ahead and save that. Format the SD card to store all your recordings with military grade encryption. So let's go ahead and format the SD card as well. That will take about a minute, so let's go ahead and wait here for that. Now that SD card has been formatted successfully, all of my recordings will be stored locally with military grade encryption. So let's go ahead and press next. I plan on placing it on a table. So there is recommended insights right there. If you do not have children or pets to monitor, you can place your camera at a height of 100 to 150 centimeters. If you do have children or pets to monitor, you can place it at a 60 to 120 centimeter height. Mounting note, keep a gap of more than 25 centimeters between objects to the side of the camera lens to avoid overexposure caused by infrared light reflection. Congratulations, your camera was mounted successfully. And let's go ahead and finish that up as well. Cannot receive notifications from sensors or cameras. Learn how to set. Oh, no such issue. I'm already getting notifications. Let's go ahead and take a look at the actual camera quality. I'm going to go ahead and play the live stream. And there you can see exactly what's in front of me. I actually have this new camera that's going to be an unboxing here soon that I'm coming out with. And this one is the J7 from IndoorCam. This is a battery powered doorbell camera. So definitely going to be checking that out as well. Overall, I feel like the footage is amazing until you get close up. Then it starts to get a little blurry. But from right here, as you can tell, it actually looks very nice on the Eufy 2K security camera system. And it's not doing any justice for you guys looking at it through your screens, because this one is actually looking a lot better on my actual display than it does from what I'm seeing in my camera. So definitely nice there. One of the best security camera systems that I've actually covered so far. Normally they're all 1080p for the indoor cams, and this one is a 2K, so a double up on the security camera footage quality. So really nice. Overall, it looks fantastic. I figured I'd show you all what it looks like today and show you all how to connect it to your Eufy security app. Now let's head on over to Amazon, where I'll go a little bit further in depth into all the key features and details of the Eufy Solo Security Camera 2K Indoor Pan and Tilt Camera. With this security camera, you will know when you are needed. The built-in AI notifies you of excessive noise levels, so you can know when your little one needs some attention. Also has instant detection. As soon as a motion is detected, the camera will start recording and push a notification in case you want to see what is happening. Activity zones only receive the alerts which matter. Customize the area in which detection takes place to suit your home. Sight at night. Keep an eye on any room, even in low light setting. Communicate from your camera. Speak in real time to anyone who passes via the camera's built-in two-way audio. Instant mobile alerts that notify you in seconds when suspicious motions are detected. Dual storage options where you can store your data and recordings locally with an extra SD card, which is not included, or in the cloud as well. Follows the action. When motion is detected, the camera automatically tracks and follows the moving object. So a lot of amazing features that this camera does have, and that basically sums it up. But I wanted to go into a little bit more depth and give you guys a little bit of a rundown of all the great features that this camera does have. Aside from just the camera quality, it does have some pretty cool features like the AI and all of the different alerts and everything I just now went over. So wanted to give you guys the rundown of that so you guys could get a full picture of how amazing this camera really is. So I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Unboxing for more products with real life applications. Smash that notification bell to stay up to date on our newest uploads. And as always, keep it real.